Okay, this is our Indonesia roadmap, the Shaker Indonesia roadmap, and I want to share something that maybe can be useful for all GNLG everywhere, especially for the strategy how to achieve 1 million merchants in 2020 or 2021. So this is our the Shaker Indonesia roadmap, and we developed this uh, master plan and organization structure because I understand that Indonesian market is lagging about 3 years. During 3 years, nobody from Indonesia can accept deals. So I really thank you to Captain Simon Lee, to Captain King James, Fred Falk, to trust me to manage Deal Shaker Indonesia as country manager, so I can more effective, more effectively help uh, to build the Shaker Indonesia market. And this is one of our master plan. We call it Distore Indonesia. So we don't use the whole word deal shaker, but we choose Distore. So Distore can have some meanings. It is Deal Shaker Store Indonesia, Discount Store Indonesia, or Digital Store Indonesia. So this store will sell products from Deal Shaker merchants. And of course, we learn from our fellow merchants and members in Vietnam. And uh, we also learn from one of the owner of Deal Shaker store in Ho Chi Minh City. Uh, I especially learned from our friend Venus. So what I learned from the best practice from Venus Deal Shaker store, they can get the fiat money every day more than $2,000. So you understand that merchant can sell combination the fiat money and one coin. And on from Venus store, we learned that they can collect the fiat money more average $2,000 per day. So it's very good money for cash flow. So if people asking about exchange, now they will get some fiat money from this concept, the Deal Shaker store. So we will duplicate this uh, model, business model, and of course we need license from local government. And fortunately, we already make some arrangement with the biggest retailer, one of the biggest retailer in Indonesia. So last month, it's almost agreed to approve uh, for this deal shake retailer, the biggest retailer. We can sell deal shaker coupon on this retail network, and it is amazing because the number is 17,000 retail store. Imagine we can sell deal shaker coupons or deal shaker voucher on 17,000 store in Indonesia. But yes, like just like Dina said, we have some technical issues. So while we are doing presentation, and the management of the biggest retailer in Indonesia want us to present online, the phishing is still there. And when we click dismiss, it is white pages, error 502. So, okay, let's face it, we give time, we all of us need to give time to corporate, but we do need corporate to take it seriously, more seriously than ever, because we want to move faster. And we have another master plan. It's called One Wonderland. So One Wonderland is Indonesia Tourism Promotion Program. So this is a kind of proposal to the travel-related industry in Indonesia, because tourism is the strength of our country. It's like the main advantage of our market. So we want to expand DealShaker. We want to dominate Indonesian tourism market using DealShaker. Our target is 3.6 million potential tourists. It is our members from 194 countries. And this specific program, One Wonderland, will be the network of DealShaker merchants for hotel and resort, restaurants, tour and travel, airlines, land and sea transportation, and all tourism industry and related travel business in Indonesia. And we have set up the pilot project for 2020 and 2021. It's called Bali Wonderland. And Bali Wonderland has vision to make Bali as a DealShaker island or OneCoin island. The mission is to improve the inbound tourists from all over the world, especially to attract the captive market of 3.6 million members of One Life community from 194 countries to visit Bali. And our main objective, the tourists can pay many things. They can pay hotels, they can buy food in restaurants, they can buy many things using OneCoin or from DealShaker, and we call it DealShaker Credit Point. And our target for 2020 and 2021, we can grab merchants from travel-related industry like 1,000 hotels, resorts, and villas, 1,000 restaurants, 1,000 art shops, 100 tours and travels, and thousands of tourism industry or travel-related business in Bali and Indonesia. The next, I want to share how to achieve our master plan and also how to achieve 1 million merchants worldwide. So just like Captain shared in Sofia, this is one ecosystem roadmap, and hopefully we can million merchants before December 2021. But the question is how? So this is the concept that all country manager must understand. And we also need to teach about supply chain management strategy to all DealShaker merchants or everybody who get involved with DealShaker development in any country. So as you see on the screen, this is the supplier, the production, the distribution, the stores, and the buyer or customer. So to be simplified, on every point on this supply chain management, they must join DealShaker. They must have DealShaker account, because if the customer, for example, the store is selling shoes, the OneCoin owner as buyer, they have DealShaker account as buyer, and they go to the stores and they want to buy shoes, for example. They can buy like 50% fiat money and 50% OneCoin. And then the stores collect the coins. And the store owner will ask us, how can I use the coin? We can give answer to them that they can collect the coin and buy to another merchants. But which merchants? Of course, the other DealShaker merchants, and we want to develop as much as we can. But we can also teach the store that they have distributor or the transporter, and we ask them to arrange the appointment, and DealShaker regional manager can give the presentation to the distributor and explain about the usage of OneCoin. And the next, we can give the presentation, explain about the deal shaker to the manufacturer. And after that, we ask manufacturer, who is your supplier? And then we explain about the shaker to the supplier. So every point on this supply chain management can accept OneCoin because they have already joined as deal shaker merchant. This is for sure. And this is important because the buyer, the individual, cannot go to the manufacturer directly. But the buyer is the customer of the stores, and the distributor is the customer, the store is the customer of the distributor. And the distributor is the customer of the manufacturer. And also the manufacturer is the customer of the supplier. So this is the industrial relationship that we must understand if we want to grow deal shaker to the next level. And of course, we need the technical issues solved as soon as possible, and we need improvement of the deal shaker platform. And this is also the supply chain management for food industry. And this is the concept of how we can build a house using OneCoin. Because for now, maybe it's very rare to buy a property using OneCoin for 100%. Yes, in Jakarta, we have Lexington apartment and some properties that sold using OneCoin on deal shaker, but it is 20% OneCoin and 80% fiat money. But how to build a house using 100% OneCoin? It is possible if we can get the merchants that sells every components of the house separately. It's sold using OneCoin on deal shaker. So we can buy the housing elements, and step by step we can build a house 100% using OneCoin. And on the last of this slide, I will show you that we prove in Indonesia that we have already prepared to build a house using OneCoin. And the other strategy is about we call it deal shaker mega structure. Why we mention mega? Because this is the organization structure to achieve 1 million merchants. So we have country manager. In some countries, they have national admin. And I really recommend every country manager to have vice country manager, and we call it national admin. And we have regional manager. This is the sub-franchisee on last year. So regional manager will be the state manager. They will manage in province scale. But sub-franchisee or regional manager is not enough. We have already proved for the last 2 years how many merchants you get by applying the sub-franchisee. So what we need is now to develop, to expand the structure of regional manager. In every province, they need to have marketing managers. They will manage, branch manager. The branch manager will manage in city level, and branch manager will need to have marketing managers, and the marketing manager will have sales team. So this is the example how the simple calculation of mega structure to achieve 1 million merchants is possible in 1 year. Please look at the bottom. At the bottom, it is deal shaker consultant. They are the marketing executive. They are sales, but we call them deal shaker consultant. If every deal shaker consultant, they can produce 2 new merchants per month, and every marketing manager has 5 deal shaker consultants. So every month, every marketing manager will have 10 new merchants per month. And on the branch manager level, in the city level, if every branch manager has 10 marketing managers, every month they will have 100 new merchants. What about regional manager? The regional manager who manage on state or province level, they will have 1,000 new merchants every month. And if the country manager has only 10 regional managers in their country, so the country manager will easily get 10,000 new merchants every month. So this is mathematics, and it is easily calculated or proven mathematically. And this is easy calculation. If every country manager has 10,000 new merchants every month, if only there are 10 countries applying this mega structure, so there will be 100,000 new merchants every month. And in 1 year, we will get 1,200,000 new merchants. Okay, so I will share you this slide on Telegram and also in video. And the positive things about this structure is we have 3 years confirmation of every deal from branch manager, from regional manager, and from national admin. So everybody has responsibility to every deals approval. And this is our structure in Indonesia. We have the regional manager for Sumatra. For Sumatra, this is for Kalimantan. This is for Java 1. This is Java 2 in Central Java. And this is Java 3 for East Java and Madura Island. This is regional manager for Bali and Nusa Tenggara, for West Nusa Tenggara. And this is the branch manager, marketing manager, and deal shaker consultant. So we have complete structure. This is the regional manager for Sulawesi. This is for Eastern Indonesia. So Eastern Indonesia, for now, we combine as one region for East Nusa Tenggara, Maluku, and Papua. So that is our contribution, because I don't know if we, hopefully we can still meet after the coronavirus pandemic, but who knows, because this is natural selection. So I want to give you legacy with that strategy. And this is our report. This is our event in Bali on 26 January. We held inauguration of some branch manager and regional managers in Bali. We have more than 200 audience at the time. And thank you to Michael, who supported us by came to Bali and speak on that event. And the next event, we developed this structure in Grand Site Jaya Hotel in Jakarta. So we are very serious with this structure, because this structure will give leverage to our deal shaker development. And this is our branch manager in Medan, North Sumatra. So from Medan, North Sumatra, I visited East Java. I went to Sidoarjo. We have fintech and e-commerce seminar in Sidoarjo, and also we have inauguration for Java 3 regional managers and for some branch managers. This is our event. And this is our event in Jakarta. So what we did in Bali, North Sumatra, and East Java, we also did it in Jakarta. And in Jakarta and Bali, we also have some weekly events. But after coronavirus pandemic, we are not allowed together. So this is our last event in 14th of March in Jakarta. And then last week, 1 week after the last event on the screen, we did an online bazaar. We are doing webinar, and we had 50 audience. So thank you, Fred. We learn from you. So we duplicate what Fred did in China, and we did bazaar, something like this in Indonesia. Just last Saturday, we have some health products to prevent corona. We have some properties, and also we have fan, and our merchant get the official license from the manufacturer. So we do what we plan, like the supply chain management. We apply. This is one of the proof, and this is one of the proof about the housing plan. So in Indonesia, we already have merchants that sell sands, many kind of sands, smooth sands, big sands, and also stones to make the foundation of the houses. Big stones, medium stones, small stones. We have everything. So that is from us for now. Hopefully that will be our legacy for Dealshaker development all over the world. Thank you, Fred.
Thank you, Dr. Putra. It's really a fantastic presentation, and it actually